Okay, this person has only one outlet in his soffit. It says, so with only one outlet, can you put a power strip in the soffit to accommodate 2 drivers, which is the power supply for each strip, or maybe 4 drivers? Is that too much power draw? You know, you're going to be fine with probably 2 drivers. If you're going to go more than that, talk to an electrician. I'm not one, but I know that 2 will work. So if it's going to be anything other than that, talk to somebody that really works in that field and let them answer for you.